Thanks for watching. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified of each new video as it comes out. All right, we got a decent day out here in Wyoming, so we're gonna go for another ride on the power bike, and we'll just see how it goes. Trying to get an idea how long the battery lasts and all that kind of stuff, just rideability and all that jazz. I'm hoping I'll get 100 miles on her, and then once we do that, then we'll do the full review on it and see how it goes. Got the neighbor's sheepdog. He doesn't like the bike. Running with me. I've been going about a half mile now. Okay, so we've gone 6 miles about, and battery hasn't really come down at all. It came down 1 bar, and then it went back up as I was going downhill because it has that regenerative braking feature. As I was riding up here, I was thinking, you know, this is not only great for preppers as an alternative bug out vehicle kind of, or you know, thing, or bike, whatever you want to call it. It's also really good for people who are, you know, have got some sort of disability, or who are just fat and out of shape like me, because it's still a good workout. But you know, if you get tired or whatever the case may be, you just let the motor pull it. And so it's kind of it's kind of a way to incrementally step up your exercise level, you know, as you can handle it, as your legs get used to it and all that kind of stuff, you know, and then you can go further and further and further as you go along. But I mean, the 6 mile trip here, you know, I was pedaling pretty hard, so it gets my breath going a little bit, but it's definitely not difficult. I'm not sweating or, you know, anything like that. But pretty cool deal. So I'm gonna go a little bit further. I'm gonna try to get 20 miles today, I think. We'll see. I don't know if I got enough time before the sun gets down. It's back there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, it's really enjoyable so far. So stay tuned. Still cruising along. We're at 11 miles so far. It's doing good. And we're still only 1 battery down. 1 bar on the battery down. So it's doing great, man. I don't know how far this thing's gonna go. Okay. So, not sure if you can see that or not, but I'm up on the tallest hill in Cheyenne, or at least tallest one I can find a road to. Anyway, came up, where are we at? We're at 13 miles. Started at 19. And got 1 bar down. And I came up this hill, I'm on pedal assist 5 with the lights on. Obviously there's a lot of traffic because it's rush hour. And come up the hill, and it was keeping me at 18.5, 18.7 miles per hour. I'm just doing a light pedal in 7th gear. So pretty cool. Anyway, it's starting to get dark, so I need to get home. Here's a look at the hill. Pretty steep. I'm gonna see if I can get back some of my battery power going down this, letting the regenerative brake charge the battery back up, because I still got a long ride home. You can see Cheyenne. There's sunset. Hopefully I don't get hit by a car. So it's really a different perspective riding this in town. Just came through town, and I actually had to reduce the pedal assist down to, oh shit, there's a curb. Down to 3, and then, you know, downshift down to like 5th, because it's just a lot faster than you think it is. Oh shit. Anyway, I better put this up before I crash. Okay, so just came back up the hill. Well, not the same hill. It's a different hill. But got me up it. And we're 35, so that's 15 miles. And that hill's a steep hill. It's short but steep. Doesn't really look like much on camera, but trust me, it is. Anyway, as you can see, coming up big hills, it'll give you a good workout. Just keeping your speed up and stuff. But anyhow, it's getting dark. I gotta get home. We're on the home stretch, a few miles from the house. Got a couple of big old hills in front of me still. And got 3 bars. We'll see how it does going up those hills carrying my big ass. This should be fun. All right, hill number 1's down. Hill number 2 to go. Headlight's pretty bright. Kind of surprised how bright it is. All right, we made it up the hill. 19 miles so far. Here's the other hill. And we still got 3 bars. That's pretty good. It's getting dark. Keep saying that because it is. All right, we got, let's see, we got 1, 2, about 2.25 miles left, and then we'll be home. Okay, so we finished the ride, 40 miles. We started at 19, so we're at 21. Average speed was 17.7, even with those hills. And it was pretty cool. Pretty cool ride. I think you could even, if you're a person that's in good shape, you can use this to get in even better shape, because you can turn the pedal assist all the way to 0, not use the throttle, and then use the resistance of the motor to actually build up your leg strength. So that's kind of pretty cool. Yeah. So this trip we were on pedal assist 5 the whole time, and you know that's going to be that's going to drain the battery pretty significantly. So the next test that we'll do it on pedal assist 3 and see how far we go. So we went 21 miles today, and we have 2 bars left. If I can get that to focus. We've got 2 bars left. So not too bad. I'm 260 pounds, buck naked, and so you know the bike, we're on all kinds of hills. You guys saw all the hills. There's tons of hills, and I was pedaling probably 90% of the time, putting a moderate effort in, not a super strong effort, but you know whenever I would see the watts go up to 600-700, you know, then I kind of help out a little bit more, you know. But other than that, it was just an easy pedal pace the whole time. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty sweet. I'm really impressed with this thing so far. So anyhow, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next test.